So we're putting in a new faucet. The other one, it's just shot. It's just old. By the time I get replacement cartridges, it's just better off just to get a new one so we won't have to worry about problems. Got a range hood. It's going to be going up there, and we got some paint for this. I probably won't do that here for a few more days, but we can get the plumbing in and get all this done. And the part I'm waiting for, again, they put it off another day. So anyway, let's get after this. And like that, with a little modification, two speeds, we're all good. Cool thing is it leaves room for a spice rack back there. So anyway, awesome. Oh, we got this in. Got this hooked up down here. What I need is I need a longer piece of this. I tried to use the existing one, but it's not going to work, and all the other ones I got are too small. So we get an extra piece like that, and I can hook up that, and then we're all done with the kitchen plumbing. And then I've got this. Yeah, I got reading the directions. This is a faux finish. You got to use this sponge in here. And they give you a sample board so that you can try it out before you put on here. So what you're doing is you're putting down a whole bunch of colors. They've got 4 different colors, I think 3 or 4. And you got to tap it on there. So anyway, it'll be fun. Okay, we're getting there. I got all the upstairs plumbing all done. That's all hooked up, ready to go. Oh, there we go. So yeah, I had an extra weight from the extra faucet. Hell yeah. Anyway, so that's done. Now I'm just working in the basement. I'll get some stuff down there. I did a little stuff yesterday. I've got to soak that carbon down in there for 2 days. I got to flush it. I got to do all kinds of stuff, but we'll head down there in a moment. Well, we're getting there. Of course, I got all the media. I got the resin in here and the gravel. I got the gravel and the carbon filter. This is all hooked up. So we're just ready for my 3/4 inch to come out here. And then I noticed I'm out of 90 fittings. So that's as far as I've gotten. What I'm going to do is I've got to get some more water. I'm not using the water here. Obviously, because it's crap water. So I'm going to fill my chlorine jug up. I've got some pool shot chlorine. About a quart for 20 gallons is what I figure. And we're going to cycle this. I'm going to hook up a hose to the bib. Obviously, I got to shut off there. And we're going to try to fill this up and get my pump primed and get her going. And then I've got to flush this once I get all that, once the carbon soaks for 48 hours. I've got to go through all this stuff and look at owner's manuals and see how it all works. But we got that done. Let's walk over here. Okay, and then here's my manifolds. I wouldn't have had, Amazon, you go buy these valves here. They're like $5, $6, $7, $8 a piece at the hardware store. I get on Amazon, I can get them for $2 a piece. So I figured, what the heck, I got control of every faucet and sink, hot and cold water. So I had them. I'd never use them for anything else, so they're in. The last piece of plumbing I got is right here. To connect this, I got the 45, but son of a gun, I need about 3 inches of 1.5 inches. So once I do that, I'll be able to connect the P-trap. This is for the tub, and then all the plumbing is done. Obviously, we're heading towards spring here, and I'm going to go ahead and make sure all this works, nothing leaks, and then we'll insulate it. But anyway, that's where we sit for right now. Tomorrow I'm going to try to fire it up and get some water running, hook up the well, and we'll see what happens.